Virtual Vivo. How to add a new dentist and user account. Understand how to create a new dentist account. Learn how to create a new user account. Understand the difference between each account. Log in under the administrator account. Go under the Patient and Dentist Management tab. Here you will find Add New Dentist. Add the doctor information. Select a 4-digit PIN. The new dentist is now created. To create a user, go under the Settings tab. Navigate to the System tab. Add the user information. A user can be considered, for instance, for a hygienist account. The user's cases are linked with the dentist account. Thus, all the cases scanned by the user will also be available within the dentist account. Both new accounts are now available on the login screen.